could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Swali the G. Oh my freaking gosh, the man's one meamka, guys. This is it. I've just woken up. I decided to do a day in my life. 1 second, let me turn on the lights here. Alright, let's do this again. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Swali the G. Welcome to a day in my life, guys. This is the day in my life right here. So I've just woken up. It's currently almost 12:04. It's Friday, so I have to go to the mosque. Go see. And it's also Ramadan for those who don't know. So to all the Muslims, Ramadan Kareem, so Makbul, and yeah, let's see how this day goes. Natoka kumka sasa hivi. I'm just from waking up, by the way, and I've done nothing basically. I woke up like an hour ago. I tried to reply to some DMs and also see my videos, YouTube stats, comments, and everything. Try to reply to those. Those things take a long time already as it is. I've got these videos that I gotta upload. I edited them yesterday, as you can see here. But there's a FIFA video. This is a slavery FIFA with BashTube and Splashface. This is a Spider-Man episode, another Spider-Man episodes. These are the videos that I'll be uploading. But I'm trying to be ahead of schedule. So it's one video a day, but these ones are just for the days after that. And then out here, ladies and gentlemen, we've got videos that I need to edit. This is another FIFA slavery. There's 2 episodes here. And then there's another video here, and then there's another one. I have to edit all of this. By the way, I'm trying to get a new keyboard, guys. A new keyboard and a new mouse. Because on Fortnite, I'm moving to gaming on the keyboard and the mouse on the PS5. That's where I'm going, because the controller, ladies and gentlemen, using the controller is just, come on, it's just not healthy, to be honest. I don't have the money yet, but once I get donations and things like that, you know how it is. Your boy is gonna be switching over, because the controller, it's decent, but I'm at a level that I cannot really improve as fast as I can if I was in keyboard and mouse. So I'm trying to switch that up as well. So yeah, hopefully today you can get to see my schedule. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog everything, but I'll try my best. This is how my life goes pretty much every single day. The reason that I'm waking up at such a time, ladies and gentlemen, is because yesterday I slept at 5. Boom, the videos are now uploading, guys, as you can see there. Wi-Fi is so trash, so it's probably gonna take a while. Let me test the speed right now for you guys. The Wi-Fi isn't the best, to be honest. That's why I'm not streaming. I usually stream on my second channel though after Isha or at maybe 8 p.m. Do you see the Wi-Fi speed, ladies and gentlemen? This Wi-Fi, I pay 5,000 a month, and this is what I'm getting. Look at the upload, guys. Look at that. That is the reason that I cannot stream at all at the moment. It usually works at some point, but it's never stable. So I usually stream on my second channel and just upload on my main channel currently. Until the Wi-Fi is fixed, that's just the situation right there. Anyways, the videos are uploading. Now I'm gonna go take a shower and then change and then head to the mosque, and then after that I have to come back and start editing those videos that I just shown you right there. But at the moment, guys, I'm running 2 channels right now this Ramadan. I'm running my main channel Swali Gamer and my second channel LPE Gaming. I'm streaming on LPE Gaming sometimes and just uploading consistently on my second channel. If we hit 11k subs or maybe 12k, I don't know, I'll try and start doing double uploads. Anyway, enough talking, and yeah, let's just get the day started, I guess. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to go to the mosque. Your boy is looking fresh and clean. You know how it is, looking like an ustad in a dream. I'm so sick, like PE. That doesn't make sense, but it rhymes. That's just common sense. Nothing rhymes with rhyme. You know what, I'm gonna stop now, okay? So, guys, time to go to the Juma, and yeah, hopefully we'll try and vlog there. I don't know if I can, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, anyway, let's get going, guys.
Watukufu Waislamu, tupo katika mwezi wa Ramadhan. Huu ni mwezi wa qiraatul Qur'an. Labda tukuulize Muislamu, tangu Ramadhani imeingia, leo siku ya 3, umefikisha juzu ngapi Muislamu? Juzu ngapi za Qur'ani umefikisha hivi sasa?
Mwenyezi Mungu awasamehe, Mwenyezi Mungu awarhamu, pamoja na mama zetu, pamoja na wazee wetu, pamoja na walimu wetu, na kila aliyetu aliyotangulia mbele ya Allah. Mwenyezi Mungu amsamehe na Mwenyezi Mungu amrahamu inshallah taala. Na sisi Mwenyezi Mungu wakati wa kufa kwetu atupe husnul khatima. Allah
And yeah, that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. Orosha swali Juma also, so we're heading back home. I would show you around, lakini najua tu ni washenzi na wanashangaa wanaanza kufuata nyumbani hapo Lofasadi. Rosa ni kema nakujua. Sasa ushenziwa bana. But yeah, that was the Friday playlist, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's time to head home, actually. Mbali ya home. Well, it is what it is, but I'll see. And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back home in the man cave, the mansion. Hapo ngoja. Okay, why baba? Remote iko wapi mother? So yeah, I am back home. I'm sorry you can't see me due to the amazing camera quality, but yeah, I'm back home. And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back in my man cave. I'm back with another vlog. You know how it is, your boy S.The.G. I'm out here in the streets, you know me. I'm way too sick. Okay, I'm gonna stop rapping, it's Ramadan. Anyways, as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't show you much with the entire journey to the mosque because I don't want people turning up in my house. Ushawan, if I start showing you guys around where I live and then all of a sudden on the guys, no, I don't want that. I don't want none of that. That's why I couldn't show you much with where I live or well, the environment around me. So I'm sorry if you guys maybe take that personally, but it is what it is. Anyways, I'm back. Right now I think Malik is about to stream. I'm not sure though, but if he does do stream, I will record a video for my second channel because I also upload there, LP Gaming, in the description. And yeah, that's about it. I might record some Spider-Man videos as well just to be ahead of schedule. I think today I might not edit, or maybe I will, I'm not sure. I'll just show you because it's a day in my life, innit? If this video does well, ladies and gentlemen, I will upload a week in my life, ladies and gentlemen. That's how much I love you guys. And please, you support a creator Swahili _ Gamer in the Arab shop. It really supports your boy. Trust me, it supports your boy greatly. At 15k subs, I will show you guys my analytics so that you can see the money that I make on YouTube in quotes. And yeah, hopefully you guys are excited for that. Anyways, we are back from the mosque. It's currently almost 2 p.m. Only one video is uploaded, guys. 2 remaining. That's how slow my Wi-Fi is. I went to the mosque, I came back, and still, this is the situation. Do you see this? That is the reason I cannot stream, guys. That right there is the reason that I cannot stream. Because of too much lag. Uncontrollable lag. That's what they call it in our country, Japan. So yeah. Anyways, let's get down to business. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what I've decided to do is Malik is not answering his phone. So what's happening is this. When he comes back, I'll join his stream, but then all I'll do is I'll record a video for my second channel, as I've just told you. And right now, since he's not picking up, we cannot waste time. We cannot just sit there and wait for him until he picks up. What's happening is I'll be recording some Spider-Man episodes. I mean, I already have 2 episodes uploading right now, but I gotta be ahead of schedule, so I have to record other videos. So until he joins the PlayStation, right, and invites me, I'm just gonna be recording other videos for my second channel, my main channel, which hopefully you guys are actually enjoying. Right now, as you can see there, boom, there we go. That is the camera. That is my audio right there, as you can see, and that is my Elgato behind this thing right there. That is how I record my gameplay, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. That is the application I used to edit. Now the reason I'm saying this is because a lot of you guys have been, you know, DMing me, or what do you use? So I'm just like throwing it out there right now. YouTube is very difficult. YouTube, there's no relaxing. Once you wake up, you're in the job. I sit here for more than 15 hours a day on this chair. 15 hours, ladies and gentlemen, every single day. I want you to imagine that. That is YouTube gaming right there. And I get 15k subs. I'll show you my analytics, don't worry about it. Anyways, let's get down to business, guys. Before we start, there's something I need to tell you guys. What I've realized with TikTok, for those who don't know, your boys are TikTok, it's right on your screen, as you can see. I've been uploading several videos on TikTok, but they keep getting striked, apparently community guidelines and that. So every single time I upload and the video does well, it gets taken down. Every time I upload and it does well, the video gets taken down. So it's so annoying. But I guess what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start uploading exclusive content for TikTok, where I actually make a video for TikTok. See, the videos that I'm uploading right now are the same videos I upload for Instagram. So what this means is I'm gonna be doing exclusive content that is only available on TikTok. That way they cannot take it down, because the community guidelines, the way they work on TikTok, is just so unfair.
Mate, what are you wearing?
Oh, this. I'm recording a Spider-Man video. It's gonna be the 3rd upload of Spider-Man after today, which is Friday, so I don't know how it's gonna work, but if you see it, you'll understand what's happening here. Anyways, for those wondering how the Elgato works, Boom, there we go. That is the Elgato right there. You can see it from that screen. This is the PS5. So what happens is pop, and then there it switches as well. If I switch here, it switches as well. That's how it's the Elgato records. I just wanted to give you that quick update about the TikTok situation. That's why I haven't been uploading for a while, but I'm gonna be making content. Don't worry about it. And yeah, follow me on Instagram because I upload the funny moments of all my videos there. And yeah, that's about it. Let me get to recording now. See you guys in a bit.
2 hours later.
Alright, I almost forgot vlogging, to be honest, but that's done. I just recorded 2 Spider-Man episodes, as you can see there. Yep, they're awaiting editing, let's just say. And right now I'm gonna be recording Fortnite to like 5:30 or 6, and then that's about it. I'll start you know, the editing process and everything. But Malik didn't turn up, so what we're doing is we're recording Fortnite with the boys. I think Musili, Bashtube, or maybe Splash if he actually turns up. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So let's switch the HDMI real quick. Source HDMI 3, boom. Fortnite, ladies and gentlemen, that's your boy playing Fortnite. By the way, this Fortnite I'm recording, it's for second channel. For those who don't know, I usually play Fortnite duos, squads, creative, all of that stuff on my second channel. But on my main channel, it's just Fortnite solos, basically. So yeah, that's Easter egg, I guess, for those who didn't know. But it is what it is. So currently, I'm with Musili and Bashama. We have, you can see they're recording. Malik didn't show up, so we're currently recording for my second channel. And yeah, let's see how this video is gonna go. It's currently almost 4. Look, it's 5. It's pretty much 5, to be honest. As you can see there. But well, it is what it is, Bana Jama. It is what it is. Flash Fist will be coming on later. I can't even hold the phone properly. So tanisamea Jama. See you guys in a bit though. Boom. That is the current time, ladies and gentlemen. Nishamaliza kurekodi. Nimemaliza kurekodi, sasa ni wakati wa kwenda msikitini. Okay, I'm done recording right now. It's time to go to the mosque, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, so see you guys in a bit. I guess when you see me, I think I'll be maybe able to eat now because today is fast, ladies and gentlemen. It's different. It's hitting me different, to be honest. Well, yani bro, I feel a quench of thirst. See the vocabularies I'm using. Anyway, see you guys in a bit. You guys are amazing. I'll be back after I break my fast, I guess. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am done with the iftar, aka breaking my fast, I guess. So right now, currently in my gaming setup, we're back in the man cave, and the idea is I couldn't show you much with the iftar because I don't really eat anything. I just break fast with dates and just 2 bottles of water, and that's about it really. I don't really eat anything basically during that time. The time that I usually eat is suhr. I usually take my suhr at 1 a.m. And these are the videos that I recorded today, this afternoon. So I have to start editing Spider-Man and the Fortnite for my second channel, LP Gaming, always in the description. So I have to start editing that, but I'm currently seeing Malik is out here streaming. So he came like, he started streaming like 35 minutes ago. As you can see, Malik is streaming. Started 35 minutes ago, ladies and gentlemen. With the hand cam, that is my boy right there. So maybe I'm gonna be joining him, you know, just to give him the morale, I guess, because he also helps me out with my channel big time. So I'm gonna maybe, you know, help a brother out, and then I'm gonna get to editing these videos maybe tomorrow. I might record a couple of videos tomorrow for my second channel as well, because you know I gotta keep both channels with great content, and also gotta, you know, be consistent in both of them, I guess.
346 minutes later.
And we're back. So what ended up happening, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't join Malik's stream because I had videos to edit, bro. I always have videos to edit. This is something you need to know. So I had to focus on my videos for a bit, and then after that I went downstairs to read the Quran because it's Ramadan, for those who don't know. And then after that it was like midnight, I think. That's the time we actually finished. We started eating suhr, which is daku for those who don't know. And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it is time, bana. Suhr, it is time for the daku, whatever you want to call it. So basically these are like the foods here, and then you just self-service kind of a situation. Whatever you want to eat, everything is right there. There we go. While watching movie in the middle of the night, to be honest. It's currently almost 2 p.m. How many 1 a.m. side? I can barely tell. And yeah, so I didn't really have much time to vlog. I think you'll see some parts of it. I'm gonna put it in the video, obviously. But that's what we did. So I didn't really join his stream. I ended up editing. And it's currently, this is the time, by the way, for those wondering what time it is. As you can see down here, boom. that is the time right now. Yep. I'm watching my video here. I just realized we hit 10.8k, man. Shout out to each and every one of you. You guys are absolute legend. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Great content is coming, I promise. I'm not even kidding. So this is the Slavery FIFA that I'm watching right now. As you can see, this is how the channel has been performing. These numbers are correct, but this number is a lie, ladies and gentlemen. Never ever trust that number. I used to believe in these numbers, but hey, once I understood what CPM is, trust me, these numbers are not telling the truth at all. Anyway, so right now what I'm doing is I'm gonna start, syncing the audios with the videos and everything, trying to get everything ready for editing tomorrow. So tomorrow probably I'm gonna be editing. I'm talking in a rush because what I realized, my phone is about to fill up the memory. I have 16 GB and it's so fast, to fill up. That's the problem. So I kind of have to be talking in a rush to make sure the video is shorter. But for right now, what I'm doing is I'm gonna start, making the videos, preparing them for editing basically tomorrow. And then after that, I'm gonna watch like 2-3 episodes of Park and Recreation, I think, maybe a bit of a bit of Netflix, I guess. And then after that, that's about it, guys. I'm off. I'm gonna sleep. That will be like maybe 4:30 or 5 in the morning. So yeah, that is how my day is. Do you see how busy I am, ladies and gentlemen? My schedule is usually, and this is one of literally this day is the day that I've been so free, in quotes. This is the day that I'm free. Imagine what happens when I'm busy. But if this vlog does well, guys, I'll try and do a week in my life so that you guys can actually go. You guys can actually get a peek in my life, how my life is actually, how my life is actually. That's the best way to put it. Once I get a better phone, I'll try and upload at 1080p 60, ladies and gentlemen. But this one is not gonna cut it, and I don't have the money to do that as well. So let's just wait. Anyways, thanks for the love, thanks for everything, guys. It's been your boy Swahili the G signing out. See you guys the next one, and peace. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is currently the next day. This vlog was supposed to end yesterday, but then again today I woke up in the morning. There's no electricity, no power. Literally the entire coast region, there is no electricity. So what ended up happening is I woke up like 2 hours ago. It's currently around 2 in the afternoon. So I woke up like 2 hours ago, which was midday, and I started replying to the DMs because I had like 150, 200 DMs. I had to reply to all of those DMs, guys. I want you to imagine that. And most of the DMs is just people asking for shout out, others people asking for customs. I can't do customs because of my Wi-Fi situation, guys. So if it works, I do customs. If it doesn't, I don't. It's very simple. And the people asking for shoutouts. How can you ask for shoutout when I'm working way harder than you? When you are sleeping, I'm out here editing, and you're the one asking for a shoutout. Come on, guys. How does that even work, bro? But hey, it is what it is. Then you had to reply to all of those DMs. And then there were the ones that, can I play with you? Can I play with you? There's so many of you guys. I wish I could play with all of you, but the only way we can do that is during customs. And customs I cannot host at the moment because of my Wi-Fi situation. But once that's fixed, I'm gonna host customs. Don't worry about it. I don't know when that is, but when it's fixed, we're gonna be playing customs. That is the only way I can play with all of you. But inviting you, that is just next to impossible. There's way too many people on my PlayStation. I have more than 2,000 friends on my PS, and I have another 1,000 friends or something on my Epic. So as you can tell, I have too many friends. Right now what I'm waiting is for the power to come back, and then once it's back, I guess I can get down to editing this vlog, and then hopefully it comes out today. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm sorry this is not one of the best vlogs ever, but I really tried. If you guys enjoyed this, I might do another one maybe next week, or see I might do another one if you guys really enjoyed this one though. So yeah, anyways, that's the end of this beautiful session. We'll talk about the money thing when I'm 15,000 subs. Remind me please. A Q&A will be dropping maybe at 12,000 subscribers or 11,000. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, thanks for everything. I love each and every one of you. You guys are a blessing. See you in a bit, and this time, peace. Peace for